Alrighty.
Just for one.
First tarantula rehouse. I'm sure you'll hear the dog in the background. Choco Golden Leaf. This one should be easy. Please ignore Banjo. Ooh, my hands are shaking, which means this is about to be fun, isn't it? Are we nervous? Who knows? But this is grammostola pulchripes. This is easy. So we're gonna bring him down this way. We're gonna give you a little booty bump. Okay. Nice to see you. Go right down in there. Little booty bump. Yeah. Good. That's it. That is really fucking easy. He went right under the leaf. Close that up. It's one down and one hellscape to go. That's really easy. I don't think this next one is going to be very easy. I got some cups ready. So, this is the enclosure. Water bowl, bark, leaves. And this is the Rehouse, an OBT, my first tarantula. Well, I got two obviously, but this one's gonna be a little spicier, I think. This should be awful. Work myself up a little bit, see how it goes. Alrighty. Wow. Let's see if I can just coax him out of the burrow. Come on out. Come on out. I see your little legs. Yeah, come on out. Oh, yeah, there we go. That's what I figured. Yeah, you're doing laps. Very pretty. He's on the right side of the screen doing laps. Alright. So the goal is not to panic, just to take it nice and easy. Let's see if we can just... Okay, buddy. Okay. Yeah. It's not so bad. Okay. Let's try this. Okay. That's fine. Now let's try and stay away from my hand. Let's just go down. Stress. We're just going to go down and away from my hand, please. Been very well behaved so far. Just one more leg. Excellent. That went really good. For all the shaky hands, that was not very scary. Very small spider. Well, that was my first OBT rehouse. A little bit of sweat, but that went pretty good. Thank you.